Hello, this is Gary at Jack Raven Bushcraft. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. I wanted to look today at using the sun to find direction. Specifically, I want to use the watch and sun method. So, got watch here. Let me just take that off a sec. So it is just after 3:10. So what I'm going to do is point the 3 at the sun, and then I'm going to bisect the angle between the 12 and the 3, and so that's going to be sort of in between the 1 and 2, like that, and that's going to give me a north-south line. Now, I appreciate that you're probably not going to be able to have seen an awful lot of that, so what I've brought with me today is our grandson's little clock. So this is Corey's. We've got it for him so that we can help him to learn to tell the time. So hopefully that's got to be a little bit more visible. So what was it? Yeah, just after 3:10. Right. So there's the that's the time set on it. So now what I'll do is point the 3 at the sun. So I'm now pointing facing directly at the sun. It's over there. So I've got the 3 pointing at the sun. And so if I bisect now between the 3 and the 12, that's about there. So if I put the stick on, that's more or less a north-south line. So I'm just going to put that down here. So I've got a compass, so we can do a little check. So if I put the compass on there, actually, what you may be able to see is the things don't actually match. So why might that be? It is because right now we are in British summertime, and so as crazy as this might seem, it works for Greenwich Mean Time. So what we have to do is take an hour off. So we go back to 2 o'clock. So if we were doing this in sort of from last weekend in October through to the last weekend in March, so over the winter, we wouldn't have to do this, but in British summertime we have to do this thing of taking an hour off. So now if I bisect that angle, so basically it's going to be between the so I've got the 2 pointed at the sun, and so now I bisect it like so. I'm just going to put that down here. Right, so that is pointing directly at the sun. That's bisected the angle. Now if I put my compass on top, the thing, hang on, let's just oops. There, that's pretty spot on. So just to recap there, guys, what I've done, I've got the hour hand, taken an hour off because we're on British summertime. So I've got the 2 pointing at the sun, and then I bisect the angle between the 12 and the 2. So basically halfway between here. So that's going to be through the 1, through the centre part, onto the 7 like that. And you can see there's my compass. That's a pretty good direction there. This is one that you can practice anywhere, so you can just go out into your back garden, front garden, wherever you might be, get your watch out and just have a little practice on this one. Hopefully you found that useful. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please do, and watch out for some more content. Stay safe.